How do we know that a chemical reaction has taken place? Let us perform an experiment to know this.
For knowing this, we take chemical oxide powder and water. In beaker, we add some chemical oxide powder. And add some water. Everyone closely observe. It is releasing the heat like gases. It is not completely soluble in the water. It is not produce any color. It is a colorless solution. We touch the beaker with your hands. What do you notice?
The beaker is little bit hot.
The reason is chemical oxide reacts with the water. It is liberation of heat energy.
Now we test the what is the solution nature. I take one red litmus paper to test this. I dip in this calcium oxide solution. What do you observe?
Litmus paper change into blue color.
So what is the nature of calcium oxide solution?
Basic
Solution.
Thank you.